Racing just is started. We have Looney Tune. Break quickly at the start. Golden Money is down on the inside. Forever Young. Golden Hariki Lager is running by the rail. Then next online is Simple Beauty. Matikas Play. Aday Play. My Sweet Swanee. While Gomarins is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Golden Money by about 2 lengths. And in second is Looney Tune. Down on the inside is Key Lager. Alongside fourth comes Golden Harry. Forever Young now moving up to take tip. Play Aday Play. Simple Beauty. My Sweet Swanee. Matikas while Gomarins is still racing in less half mile distance. They travel. We have Golden Money moving up now on the outside is Looney Tune. Forever Young now trying to get closer in third. Then next online is Golden Harry. Simple Beauty. Play Aday Play. Matikas Gomarinsky Lager. While My Sweet Swanee now racing in less than out of our turn. We have Golden Money by about half length. And in second now on the outside is Looney Tune. Simple Beauty moving up now to take third. And on the outside fourth now is Forever Young. Matikas likewise arriving at the scene. And as they swing for home, we have Simple Beauty. Matikas is down on the inside. Forever Young is on the outside. Simple Beauty. Forever Young is on the outside. Simple Beauty. Forever Young. Simple Beauty. Forever Young. And finally, it's a close finish. Forever Young. Simple Beauty. Matikas. And then comes Looney Tune, Golden Money, and Play Aday Play.